on? I have been waiting here for 1 hour. Where even is Alex?
Hey Lucas, sorry I'm late. The train took forever. Something about, I don't know, disalignment in the tracks.
Well, good. You're finally here. I've been waiting for like over
Yeah,
two
well, no one
hours.
cares. I'm here and that's all that matters. Let's finally go home. Hey Lucas, what on earth is that sound?
What on earth is happening?
I can't hold on any longer. Oh,
Oh my god, Alex! Oh god. Why is the subway station leaning like this? What on earth is going on? What is... Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. I can't hold on! Oh god. Am I the only one left? Oh, why is the subway rotating? Why is it leaning? I had to hang onto this bench. I don't know why. I don't even know why anything's happening at this point. Well, I just have to hold on tight. Oh god. Okay, I almost got killed. Those two people that were in here with me, I think they're dead. Well, I did hear bones cracking earlier, so I think they both might be dead. I wonder what the other upper city looks like with all the chaos, with everything's going on and stuff. I wonder what that will look like and everything and stuff like that. I'm not sure. Just have to hold on.